Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change language on Zalando. So the first thing you need to do is to open the Zalando app. So begin by launching the Zalando app on your smartphone. Ensure that you're using the latest version for optimal performance. Then tap on the account icon that is typically located at the top right corner of the screen. It used to be in the bottom, but it's now at the top. So this will take you to your personal account settings. Now within your accounts menu, go ahead and scroll down to app settings. You have a couple of options here: Zalando Plus, others, returns, loyalty program, personal details, a couple of others. Just go ahead and select app settings and it's going to take you to this window. Now this section allows you to customize various aspects of the app to suit your preference. And the app settings, go ahead and look for the language option, which is typically at the top, and click on that. And now you can browse through the language options. Here we have Dutch and we have English. So once you browse through and tap on the language that you wish to switch to, the app will then update its interface to reflect your chosen language. I'd like you to know that some changes might require the app to restart sometimes. So if prompted, confirm the restart to apply the new language settings. There are a couple of additional tips to help you. If you don't find your preferred language within the app, consider changing your device's language settings. This can sometimes influence the app's language display. Likewise, Zalando values user feedback. So if you encounter issues or have suggestions regarding language settings, reach out through the app's help section. So you can just go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope that this tutorial has marvelously helped you search.